why so many people just struggle too much is Adobe Premiere Pro to just grade all their footage and look something like this. And I'm gonna show you how to use this plugin. Okay, it's called Cinema Grade, and it's very dope. You can use it for all your footage. It gives you a simple way to just working on. You hold it, you drag it, and it gives you what you just need for. So I'm going to show you step by step how to use it and start with it. So okay, when it comes to your file or anything, just drag your footage here and it's search Cinema Grade. So it's going to open like this. Okay, so this is how it's going to open. Okay, simple. You can just for it any way you think you want to just working on. You can separate it and then start with just working on it. So here is what we're going to do. Okay, the only thing is that you're going to hold this. Okay, you can see the hue, saturation, luminance, and adjustment. Then you click here, you can drag and change the skin tone color. Okay, so I'm just going to stick to this and come here. Here's the saturation adjustment. When you hold it, this is what it's going to give you. It's very simple thing here. Contrast adjustments. Okay, so it's going to give you things you just need this thing to just do for you. Okay, so it's not take much time. It just gives you what is just supposed to just work for you. Okay, you can see that 100%, and you can just come up with it. So when you're just working on this, you can check it before and after. Okay, the only thing is that hold it and drag it like this. Okay, and here too. Okay, to make sure that you get exactly what you're just looking for. Okay, you can just make it cool or just summertime, just making it cool like this. Okay, you can reduce the saturation, or you can just increase it to make it more, or you can just stick to this and check this. Okay, so this is what you're going to change your skin to get everything perfect you just need. Okay, so this is something you need to know before and after. So when you just click the apply, it's going to apply here, and you can just play and see how it is. So let's just check the before and after, and if we want to add more to it, okay, you can just come to this side. Okay, you can see the highlights. You can just increase the highlights, or you can just hold the mid-tone to make sure you get a perfect skin tone. Okay, and you can see the shadow. So you can just work all the stuff you think is gonna give you what you're just looking for. Okay, so this doesn't take much time. It's just a simple thing. Hold it, drag it, and you can see the temperature here. Yeah, so it's gonna give you the controls. If you don't want it, you can just click here and drag it. It's the same thing. Okay, so this is not stressful, something to going to worry too much about how it's gonna do. Or you can come here. Okay, so when you see any of yellow or red or something's green, you can just control this. It's going to affect it. Okay, so this is very simple thing to do. Okay, so I really love it. I really love this because somehow it helps you to not to struggle too much about changing or do things to just go through a lot. Okay, so you can see all the stuffs. Okay, it's just simple thing to do. That's the reason why I really love to choose Cinema Grade. Okay, yeah, so this is something you need to make sure that you just start just working on. Okay, so it's gonna give you everything you just need. Okay, you can see here and here. Okay, you can see the same saturation and how everything just work. Okay, so this is something you need to make sure you just learn about this tool. And if you need more about the LUTs, you can come here. The LUTs is gonna give you what you just need. You can click here, so it's gonna affect it. And if you want to reduce what you think is bad on this image, you can just take your time and make sure you're just gonna work on that. Okay, so here's how it works. Or you can change it anytime you think you like it to be. Okay, you can see this. Okay, so this is something huge. You need to make sure you just go through about it. So guys, if you need more about this, the only thing is that make sure you learn about cinema grid and get what I just show you today. So if you need more videos like this, just click here. See you for the next video. Bye.